Hello, really quick video here. The World of Commodore 2024 is coming. I don't know the details. What I've heard rumblings of would be, so there's a weekend that spans the end of November, beginning of December of 2024. So that is the weekend I've heard. I've heard nothing else exactly, but supposedly it is happening. I really think that in order to have a successful event, people got to know it's happening. So the World of Commodore 2024 is happening. I just don't know the exact details. I will keep you updated, and I hope to see you there at the World of Commodore 2024, which I believe maybe the Sunday is December the 1st, and then the Saturday would be the day before that. And that's what I hear. But just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. The World of Commodore 2024 is on. It's coming. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.